Hey, good morning, guys. I'm off to Nitin's house. It's about 6:45 now. It's really cold. It's about 15 degrees. We're after some small breakfast, right? Because we've just finished with our IITs, which is internal assessments. So just for busting our stress, we're planning on go for a small ride to Airlines Hotel actually. So off we go to Nitin's house. As you can see, it's so cold. It's completely there's smog or fog, whatever you call it in Bangalore. It's been a while since I've ridden the KTM RC390 for long distance. The stupid lockdown corona beauty. What's up?
What's up, guys?
Hello, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
So welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. Today we are off to a breakfast ride. Small breakfast ride actually. We're not going to Nandi Hills and all. Today is a Tuesday morning. I don't know how we end up on weekdays, but yeah. Sundays and all we keep sleeping, you know. We have
Sundays usually it will be a rush. Everywhere will be rushed. So I think it's better to go on weekdays.
It'll be crap.
Avoid coronavirus entering your mouth or nose.
Oh shit. Never mind. Yeah, what he told is true, but it's funny nowadays. Yes. Okay, so we are right here in Vinish's house.
Yeah.
Me and Monish are ready. We came out like 6:45. We told Vinish to come at 7, but he's sleeping till 7 o'clock for some reason.
Yeah. His mother to compensate.
Yeah, his mother to compensate that gave coffee.
Right?
She's so sweet. Where is she? She went inside. Okay, she's really sweet.
Wow.
Thank you for the coffee, auntie, if you're watching.
She'll not touch.
She'll not watch her.
3 hours later.
3 hours later also, this fellow's not come out.
Yeah. The coffee, you know.
Oh, this fellow, where is he?
Let's make a B-roll of when he's sitting down. We'll do time lapse, yeah? It came so early. Thank you for coming on time.
Okay, so this fellow came after a long time. This fellow came, so we'll go.
Yeah, definitely.
Come da.
Yeah.
No,
I bought
Bye, auntie.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we have left Vinish's house and slowly we'll go to Airlines Hotel. It's in Laval Road actually. It is around 20 kilometers from here. That's it. It's a very, 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 very short breakfast ride. So yeah, just enjoy Bangalore when there's no traffic on a weekday. Okay, change of plan. We're actually going to go to UB City. No, we're not inside UB City. Go outside UB City. It's a nice place. We'll take some photos from there. And yeah, from there we'll go to Airlines. It's nearby actually, both of them. What is this, da? Okay. From there where?
From there, you want to go to UB City?
Because we have to go there only. Like that only we have to go to airlines, no?
Yeah, from there, Audicon. Gatna road.
Yeah.
Gatna come. 2 minutes away.
Wait. I need to put this inside. Silicon case sucks. Can't push it inside also. This is primary mode of survival. Gloves. Which way, tell? Go a little more forward, sir. So we have stopped near UB City. As you guys can see, this is UB City. Oh, so big da. Not able to get in frame only. Somebody take
Problem is
off.
the owner sitting in London.
The owner is sitting in London or in jail. Nobody knows where he is.
He's not in.
He's not in jail, no? No, never mind. So, yeah, we are near UB City. This is our Adda. We'll tell. What is Adda?
This is the destination where you're supposed to stop for photos.
Yeah, this is the destination we used to stop for photos. Last time when Vinush and Monish and all came, we stopped here to take photos.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys, no, we didn't vlog another time. Looks nice, this place. Wait, I'll show you how.
Give it up this.
HDR works really good right now. Okay, so yeah, we'll probably take some photos and then we'll go to Airlines Hotel and eat. I'm really hungry. I don't know why I'm so hungry. Come down, let's go. Okay, so Monish the Great has done taking photos. Now we'll go to the Airlines Hotel. Google Pay ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ Google Pay. Okay, so we have reached. Okay, so we have. Watch it, Monish.
Let's stop recording. This is that footage.
Okay, so we have reached Airlines Hotel and yeah, we are waiting for our food. We have ordered a lot of things because we were hungry as hell. Actually, food came.
Someone seems to be very happy. So we'll give you update on what not we eat. Sorry, we'll not give an update. Time to eat.
Give update, Raj. Why? We don't want. Okay, so we have idli vada in sambar dip. All three of us took.
And that's the vada.
That's the vada. Oh shit, I have to beep it out. Okay, so this is a drive-in restaurant. It started way back in what? Early 1900s.
Well, it's known for its reputation actually.
Yeah.
Airlines Hotel means it's a biker's point where all exotic cars and exotic bikes.
But you would
come
find
here.
them only on Sundays mostly because today people who own a Porsche or a Ferrari and all don't come out on Tuesdays. Only jobless people like us come out. Sorry, I'm not talking. This fellow owns a Jaguar. Never mind.
Okay, put that song over. So whatever, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We are going to eat
The
after we
fact
eat.
about this restaurant is it's an open restaurant. No, that's what makes it so special.
Yeah, so it's called as a drive-in open restaurant,
Yeah,
and
drive-in
it is. It's really nice. If you don't want COVID, you can come here because it's open.
You'll also get COVID
You
because
might.
the night time there are bats sitting on top of these trees. Bats. What is it?
Be careful. If Monish tells, that means it'll be true.
There's some owls also.
Owls also, it seems. Okay, so this place opens at 7 o'clock, no? In the morning? Yeah, this place opens at 7 o'clock in the morning, closes around 10 o'clock, so you guys can come any given point of time. Preferably in the morning.
Yeah, and the location is so nice. Okay, it's in Lavelle Road.
Near
It's next
BMW
to
showroom.
Yeah, BMW showroom. It's next to UB City.
Very near to UB
Yeah.
City.
Very
So
near to
when you guys come here, you can actually visit those places. You can come here, eat breakfast,
Yeah.
go to UB City, eat a very expensive lunch,
Lunch.
and then if you want to buy a
Then
car, you can go to
bankrupt and go
BMW.
back.
If you want a car, you can go to BMW, or even Audi is there. Audi is there. Audi is there.
Everything is there.
Porsche, everything is there. So yeah, you guys get the point,
Basically,
right?
you get bankrupt fast here.
You get bankrupt, but people like Monish won't get bankrupt, so it's fine. Okay, so one round of breakfast is over. We ate one plate idli vada each. That was me and Vinesh ate full speed. Monish is still eating. Yeah, so now we have ordered masala dosa, butter masala dosa, benne masala dosa. Vinesh is always the odd one out. He has ordered onion dosa. Look how it is black in color.
He wants to purify his blood difference. That's the reason he's eating onion.
He wants to purify his blood with seeds. Okay, so I'll eat this. I'll catch you guys later. Not showing you guys eating. See. Eat right.
Okay, see, I'm eating. The food is amazing. Actually.
Yeah, food is really nice over here. If you guys actually want to come for a ride only to eat, then you guys should actually come here.
Yeah, like what we did.
Like what we did. We just came here to eat. Now I'll go back home. Actually, we heard a nice exhaust sound and we saw a car entering the restaurant. And Monish is like, it's an exotic car, and there we see a Thar.
When we see a Thar with broken silencer.
It's a broken
I think
silence.
it's not even a Thar, I think it's a Commander. But fine.
Yeah, fine. Thar is a good car. No offense. And then one more incident. What is that? Octavia fell off. We were near Damlu signal. Do you have it in the GoPro?
I have it in the GoPro. I try to.
Yeah, if it is there, we'll put it over here. So what happened was there was this Octavia guy who was standing in the signal along with Monish, and he saw kind of a sports bike, and then he was like, he ripped.
No, he didn't see me. The thing is, there was an open free end because the
road was free.
Of the signal, so he wanted to use the launch control from another car. So basically, he just slipped off. He's about to kill a man. It was so close.
Yeah.
That man got a second chance.
Yeah, he just survived by an inch actually.
Don't come here if you don't have money in your pocket.
Yeah. Did you see the price?
I ate hardly one half idli and half vada.
No, it is. We just ate 3 plate idli vada and 3 masala dosa. How much? What shit?
And
So it is 1078 rupees, including GST.
wait, let me brief you guys.
Yeah,
about
let's
the
brief you guys
price.
about the thing.
Breathing tax 50 rupees.
Breathing tax 50 rupees.
Water
Water tax
also 50 rupees.
Which is
One
great.
masala dosa is 130 rupees.
See, one masala dosa is 130 rupees. It's not worth 130 rupees and all.
50 rupees for tea.
50 rupees for tea.
Just 50 rupees.
Hey, you will get dislikes in this video.
No, it's nice place actually. I don't
See,
give any dislikes.
the place is nice. It's just that we are poor this month.
Yeah, because year end, no.
Year end, no. So
Trying to save money for the new year.
yeah, trying to save money for New Year, and I am trying to.
This is actually water.
Yeah, tea is not nice.
Yeah,
Tea
it's
sucks. Somebody's honking, which is rascal. Very full. Okay, so we guys
This
are
is
drinking the tea and we'll
parking
catch you
fees.
later. It was in the park. We have Vinish's key. We are actually trying to prank that fellow. Wait, we'll show you guys. 100 rupees. I don't have it. I have 500 straight. Okay, I'm not a big fan of BMW diesels. This is only the Thar. Can you hear the sound of the Thar? Yeah, it sounded like an exotic car there. Looks like shit.
It's not prank actually.
It's not a prank actually. I just want to scare him.
He's so irresponsible.
Yeah, he's so
He
irresponsible.
keeps his key.
Everywhere. Wherever he finds a place, he leaves the key over there.
He finds a beautiful spot on the road. He keeps his keys over there. It's a dumbass.
Just like that. Today just...
Never mind.
Never mind. Oh, I got scared. I
Why
thought
is
something
Tuesday so
happened.
disappointing? I thought today also I'll see all exotic cars. But
Hey.
today's the wrong day to judge.
Wrong day to come. So if you guys are big car enthusiasts, no, come on the Sunday. I mean, like, come on a Sunday.
Yeah.
But it'll be crowded.
Yeah, it'll be crowded. And the COVID-19 can easily enter your mouth and your nose.
And your nose.
your
And
hairline, everything.
okay, so Monish, what is the plan?
The plan is we'll just go.
He's
get
coming
up.
da.
We'll just go get up.
Yeah, he'll come. He'll search his key. He won't find it.
He won't find it. He'll go back there.
Yeah.
We'll be sitting here. We'll try to wait till afternoon. If he doesn't find his key, then I'll give his key.
Okay, well, let's see what his reaction is. So Vinush has come and he has lost his key.
What a rhyme, no?
Vinush has lost his key. I am going to pee.
Nice rhyming, no?
Monish classic dance flows. Okay, so by the time Vinush searches for the key, we'll actually go to the
He'll
washroom.
lose his key and he'll lose his shoelace. And he'll fall down and lose his keys. Rhyming, bro, today. Bro, I'm a rapper.
That came out so good. That was nice. has no clue.
That's laptop.
We go to the washroom and come.
She's reason is looking everywhere for it. He's about to get a heart attack. Most probably have to give a CPR to him.
You know.
I don't know. I just know how to stamp his chest.
Doesn't look like there is a key here.
Find it somewhere in the parking lot. Check.
Come, let's go see in the parking only.
I'll be losing my one can be trying to play prank. I know what you guys are doing.
Where did you keep a key, by the way?
I know.
Mr. Absent-minded.
That time I think really.
No bullshit. You kept it on the table and you walked off.
I gave 50 rupees. He's telling me he gave me his bike key.
No, he kept the key there and he went off to give the money for this thing. That's why from that time we were vlogging.
He kept his key on the table and walking with me.
I know. The bag also he left.
Bag this fellow took me.
It's not UBCT.
There is city UBI.
How was the prank, Venice?
Like on start. Definitely very important.
Okay, so we are done with Airlines Hotel. We are thinking of going to a Ducati showroom nearby just to see the new V2 and stuff. Really love that bike though. Hopefully you can buy it one day in the future. This won't happen. Don't worry. Hey Moish!
We are apparently in Ducati showroom. Nityan loves Panigale V2 anything more than this world. Yeah, he loves this bike for so much. And this bike, oh my god, look how nice it is. My goodness. This bike look so nice, man. It looks so nice. My goodness. And it's 21.2 lakhs on road. It's little overpriced for its CC. It's fine, it's him. This guy loves this bike.
Oh my god, it's so nice. Somebody please donate 100 rupees.
Yeah, for the amount of subscribers we have now, we can donate.
100 rupees each, enough we can go by the week.
Yeah.
Is it okay with vlog?
It's a very vlog friendly bike.
Such a nice bike.
Such
Can
a
we
nice
start
bike.
here?
Oh my god, start up. Yeah. It's loud. It's good. It's V2 only, no? 2-cylinder. I think.
This is kind of
Okay, the stand is a little bit of like play hide and seek with you.
so nice.
Tell the experience. Sitting
I'll tell it later.
He's still trembling.
Yeah.
This guy, how was the feeling, Bara?
I don't know. Hey, look, da, my hand is still trembling, da.
He sat on the Ducati V2, his dream bike, and he was trembling so much, I had to vlog. He was like, guys, V2. Hope you guys have enjoyed
Hope
this
you guys
vlog.
enjoy the video.
More to come.
More to come. Probably we'll test with the V2 also. So before that, Christmas is coming. So Merry Christmas to
Merry
all of you.
Christmas to all of you. Stay
Do
safe.
subscribe to the channel when you want if you want to see the V2's review. It is going to come very soon. And yeah, like the video, share the video, comment as usual. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Peace.